Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest episode on the Scan Tool Network. In this video, we're going to be looking at the best diagnostic scan tools and scanners for your Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep vehicles in 2021 and 2022. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which of these kits I would personally recommend, given my 15 years of experience in this particular field. I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. It's really important that you follow those links because these links will take you to genuine and official products. Be aware of clones and fakes because unfortunately they do exist, and they will cause you and your vehicle nothing but problems and cost you a lot more money in the long run, unfortunately. So I'll start with the cheapest, work my way up to the most expensive. It's generally said that the most expensive tool will have the most functionality, and that is certainly the case for this particular video here. So this is we're starting with this kit here. It's the iCarSoft i820 kit, and this will allow you to diagnose and reset check engine light faults in your Chrysler, Dodge or Jeep. So if you've got a check engine warning light or an emissions warning light, this will allow you to diagnose the fault code, give you a unique description of the fault, and also allow you to erase the fault code warning light dashboard and the codes itself. It'll also give you live data. The beauty of this tool is that it doesn't just work on Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep, it works on all of the makes and models as well, so long as they have the same diagnostic port. So this is a good option, but only if you've got a check engine warning light fault. If you're looking to get a bit more functionality out of the tool, if you want to cover a few more systems than just the engine, then take a look at this kit. It's the iCarSoft BCC2 kit, and this will basically allow you to go that little bit deeper into diagnosis. If you're looking to maybe diagnose the engines, the airbags, the ABS, the transmission, and you also want to do a service reset as well, then this tool will allow you to do that. It also covers a few other vehicles like Chevrolet, GMC and Hummer, as well as Chrysler, Dodge and Jeep. So it's another option which gives you a bit more functionality, a bit more system coverage and a bit more vehicle coverage as well, but you do pay a bit more than this particular kit itself. Now, when it comes to the next step up, this is the iCarSoft. This is the highest in the line of iCarSoft tools currently at the time of making this video. It's the iCarSoft CR Pro kit, and this will basically do everything that these kits will do, but this covers all manufacturers. So instead of just being limited to your American models, this also covers the Asian models like Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Lexus, you name it, and also does the Europeans as well. So it's going to do BMW, Porsche, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Mercedes, Vauxhall, Citroen and Peugeot, etc. So that is really good. And also, as well as covering all makes and models, it also does Korean, Kia and Hyundai. As well as covering all makes and models, it gives you more access to more service functions as well. So the service functions being electronic park and brake, DPF reset and regeneration, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding, electronic throttle reset, steering angle sensor, new battery registration and reset. It's important for me to say though that those functions don't work on all vehicles, so I'll put an email address in the description below, and if you do want to double check that the tool is suitable for one of those functions on a particular vehicle, then please use the email address provided, send your vehicle details including your VIN number of your vehicle, and the guys at Diagnostic World can do a check to make sure the tool is or is not going to be suitable. If it's not, they'll probably recommend something else. We then move on to the best tool of the table. It's this one here, the Autel MK808 kit. This is the most expensive tool here. It's double the price of this, or nearly double the price of this, but it is the best tool here because this tool will do absolutely everything that all of these tools will do, plus more. This will give you so many more service options and service functions like key coding, like immobilizers, gear learning, transmission adaptation, clutch adaptation. It also does suspension calibration for the air suspension cars and a wide range of other systems and functions. So this kit will absolutely do absolutely everything. It is at the top of the tree. It's kind of geared towards sort of small garages, workshops, mobile mechanics, or indeed if you're a DIYer with a big budget, then there's nothing wrong with going in at the deep end and getting this tool. It'll work very easily, and it's also easy to use for beginners. Having said that though, if you only need a tool to turn off a check engine light, this tool will also serve you just as well. As I say, it all really depends on your specific needs, your functions, your budget, and what you're looking to get out of a tool. Now, I said at the start of the video that I'd give you a personal recommendation. If I'm looking for a tool, I'm looking for a tool that offers the most functionality, the most, when it comes to functionality, I mean system coverage, I mean vehicle coverage, and I also mean service functionality as well. So what tool will give me the most functionality for the least amount of money? It's this one here, the iCarSoft CR Pro. This is what I would definitely recommend every step of the way. It absolutely blows a lot of the other tools out of the water because it just performs every time. It has a huge database of vehicles that it actually covers, and systems within those vehicles and service functions for those vehicles as well. So this is what I would choose every time. If you've got an unlimited, I'm coming at an angle from a budget-minded scan tool. If you've got an unlimited budget and you're looking for the best tool, then yeah, sure, go for this one because it's better than this. But if you only really at the DIY level want to do the basic functions or the functions that most DIYers would do, then yeah, this is the tool I would definitely go for. Anyway, I'm going on here. Remember, all the links to these kits are in the description below this video. Please only make sure you use these links because you will go to genuine and official products. Again, clones and fakes, they do exist. They'll cause you nothing but trouble. I hope this video has been useful for you if you are looking to diagnose your Chrysler, Dodge or Jeep vehicle. And maybe if it's given you an idea about which tool to actually go for, please give the video a thumbs up, show your appreciation. And yeah, that's about it. We'll see you next time on the Scan Tool Network.